In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can upload a profile picture and also a banner on your Facebook. So let's go right into it. One, we're gonna have the profile picture appear up here and also down here and also right here on top too. So go ahead and click on that profile icon. Once you click on it, we're gonna come over to this camera right here. Right there. Now click on this. Once you click on it, you see it says upload pic photo, then it says create an avatar. So we also add frames. So what we're gonna do first is let's go ahead and upload a picture. After clicking on upload a photo, we'll wait for a window to open up. Okay, this is right here. So right now we're going to navigate to where the picture is on our laptop or PC. I'm gonna try this picture right here, so let me try it out. Okay, so that picture is too small to be uploaded as a profile photo. So let's go ahead and change it to a bigger one, because it says right here, please choose a photo that is at least 180 pixels. So let's close it. Once you close it, let's go ahead and look for another picture. So now we're going to go ahead and click on upload photo again, then wait for the window to open up. So this is the picture we're going to use, so click on it, then click on open. So now it's uploading to the site. We'll just wait for it, and this is it. So you can make necessary adjustments that you want on the picture right here, just by clicking on it and using your cursor to move it. Then right up here it says description. You can go ahead and write a description. So depending on what the picture is about, maybe it's a picnic you went out for or a walk, you can go ahead and write something about the picture right there in the description. So we can also come down if you want to make adjustments by moving that. Now coming down here, if you move this back and forth, you can zoom in and out of the picture. Or if you don't want to use that, you can just scroll down. You can see crop photo. You can go ahead and use the crop photo to crop it. So okay, so let me click on the crop photo now. So right now, if you go ahead and click on crop photo, click on it. So you notice that the picture has reduced. Look at it. It increased. Click on it, out. So it just cut off the excess on this side. So let's go ahead and save it. Click on save. Okay, so it's done saving. You can now see the picture right here and up here too. You can see. Now, so that's how you can upload a photo. So let's go ahead and create an avatar. Click on avatar. So now we're going to create an avatar that can replace the picture. If we don't want to use our picture, we can go ahead and use an avatar. So just wait for it to load. So these are the avatars available. So it says here, select an avatar to personalize it. So right now I've clicked that one center, click next. I think I like the guy with the cap, so I'm gonna stick with that. Then come here and click on next. Okay, so now just wait for it to process. It says your avatar is being updated. So this is gonna take a couple of minutes, but if you look down, it says done. So go ahead and click on done. And now we just wait for it to load. So this is it. It now says select a pose. So you can select different type of poses, but we don't have that much options right here exactly. So just choose from this few here. Then we also have background. So you can say select background. You can choose different photos. So go ahead and choose different background photo that you like, or poses. Then when you're done, come here. It says use as a photo, use as a profile photo. I've clicked on it already, so I'm just waiting for it to load. Once it's done loading, yep, it replaced the photo that I earlier uploaded there. So this is it. Bam. Looks nice. I really do like it. Now let's go ahead and test out the frames that we can use. So come over onto frames, click on it. Yep. So now these are the available frames you can use. You can use climate action. You can use friends of the earth. Well, we really do like that one, friends of the earth. Then you can also say love, unite us. That's really nice. So go ahead and choose different type of frames that you might like. Once you are done, you can see down here it says switch back to previous profile picture in. So we now have options. We have 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or never. So you can now see these are different options. If you want the frames to change back, I believe this is basically going to affect the frames, not exactly the profile picture. So just go ahead and choose, or if you don't want it to change, you can just come down here and click on never, so that it won't change back. So now let's make our choice, never. Then come down to use as profile photo picture. So that's it. We just wait for it to process. So once it's done processing, it will appear on our profile picture. So that is it right there. You can now see we now have that on it. So right now I'm going to come over to the camera icon, click on it. You can see the previous picture I posted here. Then let's click on create avatar, create an avatar. So this is what it's now showing me now. So I can't exactly go back to create a new one. So this is the one that I created before. So I'm just going to click on use as profile picture. Then I can also just make some little editing changes if I want to. So I've changed it to this. Now let's go ahead and create a banner. So come here to create with avatar, click on it. Once you click on it, we're going to wait for the window to open up, this menu bar open up. So yep, so the windows open up. Wow, this looks great. I really do like it. And look at, I have even more poses right here. Wow, it's really nice. I really do like these poses here. So this is going to be the background. Then look at me right there, my avatar that I created previously right here. Now if you don't want to use an avatar as your banner, you can come down here to click on add a cover photo right here. So which means you can upload a photo that you like to your banner. Now I'm going to show you how it's going to look like, and you can also use your avatar that you created in the beginning I used for the profile picture as your banner. So you see it says choose a photo, a cover photo. You can go ahead and click on that. So right here we have the pictures that we use, and we also have our avatar that we created. So let me test the banner, the avatar we created. Let's see how it's going to look like if we use that. So this is it. The head is a bit too big. Not bad. So not bad. Let me change it to another one. Let's see how it will look like. So I'm just going to go ahead and try creating with avatar. Let's see how it's going to look like. So this is it. It really looks really nice. So let me try it out. This is going to look like use as profile avatar photo. So once you click on that, we just wait for it to upload, and boom, that's it. Wow, really nice. So these are the two options you have. You can either upload a photo and also has other more options right here. It says create an avatar, cover photo. Then we also have this one, upload a photo. Then so these are some of the options. You can also remove it right here. So if you don't like it, you can just go ahead and remove it. So now let's make a little adjustment to the photo. Let's raise it up, but the head, so I think I'm just gonna keep it down maybe on the waist side. It's much better that way. Wow, this looks really good. So that's how you can upload a profile picture and also a banner on your Facebook account. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe for more.